We're back to another video. My room is kind of messy right now, but I made a garage for my car, and here it's from the box that I got it from. So if you open this one, my Lamborghini is there, and that's the charger, like it's fuel. And it's also a station for my wires because I have so many wires, they all get messed up. Then it's so messy to keep wires just going everywhere in the room. And this up part is for my controller. So, and in this video I didn't only want to show you the garage. I want to show you this thing my mom bought me today. Small gift. A crystal globe, and I got another version of that crystal, but it's more like a cylinder. And I got this shell, and I also sketched this Lamborghini drawing, and I have a lot of stuff. So it's the end of the video.